Hi, I got my trial version of Architectural open, and I'm going to try to show you a quick version. I'm just going to draw a stable. Basically, I'm just going to draw a rectangular room to start with. And I don't use the snap grid, so where's that? View reference grid. No, I don't use that. Okay, so right now, all we have is the big open room with a roof over it. Now I'm going to try to make this side of it look like stalls. I'm going to leave that camera open so I can quickly go back to it. I'm going to take a railing wall here. Now this is just a way you could do it. Okay, so let's okay, I'm going to go Shift F6 so you can see these changes as I make them. I'm going to take this railing wall, and for a horse stall, I think the railing walls would be about, go to Newells and Balancers, and change the height to 66 inches. And we'll go over here to rail style and make them solid. Or you could, they don't have to be solid. Or we could use, as Rookie suggested, you could use panels. And then you go to Newells and Balancers to change the panel type. See, there's panels. It's currently set to the default solid. Let's just work with that. That's fine. Or maybe we could find something a little more appropriate under fences and railings, and let's see, something that looks more like a horse stall. No, not chain link. Nah, that's too fancy. Anyway, okay, pick it. We don't want sharp tops on there because it might hurt the horse, but this could work. So now I've got a railing in there. It's 66 inches thick. Now, then you could go in here with the regular wall tool and divide these up into stalls this way. That's not the right wall type. My bad. I don't know anything about horses other than just what I've seen in the movies. So, okay, so there's a stall, 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 stall. Now, what I was recommending is you go over here to the door tools and you just place a door. Okay, and you see the door comes in without the, it matches the top of the railing. And then you take this door and open this dialog box, like I said, and go over here to the library and find something a little bit more appropriate, like under fences and railings, gates. And that ought to work. You might not want, you might something a little more see-through than that. Probably not chain link though. There's limited choices. This will work pretty good. So now we got that kind of a gate in there. And with this software, it's hard to duplicate to 9 decimal points exactly what you're wanting to do. For a horse, you probably would want this wider than 30 inches. We'll make it 48 inches wide. And that turned it into a double. You can make it single door only that way on this options tab. And then now that that's there, I'll just, well, I hope that would stick, but I guess it didn't. Okay, now I'm going to move this back over here to the corner. And that's a way to do it. It's not perfect, but that's, a reasonable facsimile of from the, based on my limited experience with horse stalls. You know, you got a stall and a door and you don't have the, by using a gate, you get rid of the door aspect looking of it. Okay. Hope this helps you, and whether it does or not, have a great day.